Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing this really simple makeup look, and I explain later on that you can avoid this eyeliner and just do mascara. But the rest of this makeup look, I mean specifically foundation, is really simple. In case you're interested, stay tuned and let's get started. As always, let's start with hydration, toner, sun cream, Nivea aftershave lotion, and MAC Prep and Prime. Now, to color correct a little bit, I want to add my Essence Skin Lovin' Sensitive Concealer. I use this for forehead, chin, on the sides, on top of my nose. For my under eye area, I will use L.A.Girl Pro.concealer. The formula is still liquid and runny, but I feel this concealer is a little bit better because it's not cracking in a couple of hours. And I have this tendency with Essence concealer, though it used to be so much better, but I don't know, maybe they have a change in formula or have no idea. We're not using foundation for this makeup look because, well, we don't really need this. I'm just covering some of the redness, and then I'll go on top with a beauty blender. And my under eye concealer, I blend out with a finger. For the under eye area, I hate full coverage concealers. They're getting in your fine lines and they're sitting there and it's really hard to take them out. Even if you set this with powder or maybe bake, it doesn't really matter. It's just not going anywhere. And I have my concealer. This is L.A.Girl Pro.concealer as well, a little bit darker color. You can skip this step and actually use powdery product on top when we set the face, or you can do it this way and maybe avoid your powdery bronzer later on. I'm not using a lot, just some color to bring my skin to life. And I will set my face with Catrice Alt Matte Shine Control Setting Powder. You can use your big and fluffy brush, or you can go with a makeup puff. You can load it like that if you love warm complexion and warm, like, bronzy look. But I prefer a little bit of contour on top, but it's totally optional to tone down orange color in my foundation. Let's go with big and fluffy brush. I know it's not type of brush you would normally typically use, but the one I have is covered in blush and I don't want to add additional blush to my foundation, not for now. A little bit on top of my nose. I'm not even doing a precise contour, just some color. I'm gonna set my face with a fix and spray, and then I will go on top with my beauty blender. I'm gonna go with my Makeup Revolution camouflage palette. You can choose some soft cream blush and transfer on top like that. Final step is my highlighter. They're just a tiniest bit in this area here. The additional step, if you want to look extremely glowy, I have some pigment. This is Essence pigment, really old, and I will add a tiniest bit of this pigment on my brush and just brush it on top like this. Oh my goodness, it's really, really pretty. And now I will do my brows. I will outline my natural shape. I need a brow gel, and finally my NYX brow product. I want to do a simple but interesting eye makeup look, so I'm going to do it with my concealer sorta eye foundation. Set my lid with just a regular powder. I have this Dior white matte eye pencil. If you're interested in how I got this Dior eye pencil, check out the video where I shop expired makeup. Okay, I'm going to start with the line and then bring this back. I need to clean this area a little bit because I feel like I messed up. I want to do my silver eyeliner. I will create a few dots on top. And one dot in this area. I will coat lashes with my Essence mascara. Let's set my under eye area with loose powder. I want to prevent any black marks from mascara throughout the day. This is Maybelline 940 Rose Brush Matte. It's super, super bright, but I'm going to show you how I tone this down. I have a little bit different from NYX. It's really bright pink, and I'll just place it on top like that. And I left a lot of the space for my contour. And you can add a little bit of lip gloss on top, a few dots. I'll wipe off any leftovers from my powder. Well guys, and this is the final result. I hope this makeup look is simple for you as well as it was simple for me.